Hi, welcome to Matt's Garage. It's ODark30 and I have the results from my survey of what would you do Fender Flares edition. I really appreciate everybody commenting. Go ahead and subscribe. I've got a bunch of these what would you do's coming up. But I want to do a quick review and answer a couple questions I had, and then I'll share the survey results. One subscriber questioned this was an uncut Bronco. It is definitely uncut. You can see the body line going all the way through. The second point was about people didn't want me to expose the holes because they felt it would create more rust. These are more absorbent, so actually they hold water right up against that fender. Now I'm in the garage, so I'm not gonna be leaving this Bronco outside anymore. Like, I'm stopping the rust time capsule, so I'm not as worried about that. Without further ado, here are the results. Option 1, leave it alone, 9 votes. Option 2, run it with the holes exposed, so cut off the fenders and leave it with the holes and the white stripe, 3 votes. Option 3, cut the fenders and put in flares all 4 corners, 4 votes. Option 4, repair and do the body work, 7 votes. There was an option 5 introduced I didn't ask for, and it was great. It was put in new panels, and that had 4 votes. Number 6 was take off the fender flares and use them for molds and make fiberglass molds of them, which is so creative and so not going to happen. And then number 7 is LS swap the fender flares, which I thought was hilarious. Thanks for that. So what do? I don't know. I think if you combine the ones that involve leaving it uncut and leaving the original metal, that is by far the biggest amount of votes. The only question is in what form that is, whether to leave it alone, leave it with the holes, or repair the fenders. Based on your poll, I'm gonna listen to you guys. I'm gonna go with number 1 there and leave it alone for now, even though it kills my OCD. Be sure to tune in at 3 o'clock today. I've got another what would you do, and this one's about the C4 shift linkage question. See you in a couple hours on Matt's Garage.